Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to extract copper from ore. First, we need to prepare the raw material. Copper ore, as it comes from the earth, is a mixture of valuable copper minerals and unwanted rock. The goal of extraction is to isolate the copper, making it pure enough for manufacturing. This process involves several key steps, transforming raw ore into a highly useful metal that powers our modern world, from electronics to construction. The initial step in copper extraction is to reduce the size of the ore. Massive rocks are fed into primary crushers, which break them down into smaller, more manageable fragments, typically around 2 centimeters. Following this, the material enters grinding mills, where it is pulverized into a fine powder, similar to sand. This crucial size reduction significantly increases the surface area of the copper minerals, preparing them for the next chemical treatment stage. Once the ore is finely ground, we move to the leaching process. This involves dissolving the copper minerals using a chemical solvent, most commonly a dilute sulfuric acid solution. The acid is sprayed over large piles of ore, percolating through the material. As it passes, the acid selectively reacts with the copper compounds, forming a copper-rich solution. This valuable solution, now containing dissolved copper, is collected at the bottom for the next purification steps. The final stage involves recovering pure copper from the enriched solution, typically through a process called electrowinning. The copper-rich solution is placed into large tanks with electrodes. An electric current is passed through the solution, causing the dissolved copper ions to deposit as pure metallic copper onto the cathode plates. This highly effective method produces copper that is remarkably pure, often achieving 99.9% purity, ready for various industrial applications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.